Data science is revolutionizing industries, and the demand for skilled professionals is skyrocketing. By 2025, companies will be competing fiercely to hire data scientists. Are you ready to seize this opportunity and shape the future? Imagine a world where data drives every decision. From healthcare to finance, data scientists are the architects of this new era. Their insights are invaluable, making them indispensable across sectors. Start your journey by mastering programming languages like Python and R. These are the building blocks of data science, enabling you to manipulate data and create powerful algorithms. Statistics and mathematics are your allies. They provide the tools to analyze data effectively. Pair this with data visualization techniques to communicate your findings clearly and impactfully. Dive into machine learning and artificial intelligence to unlock new possibilities. Tools like TensorFlow and PyTorch will be your companions in this advanced exploration. Consider specializing in cutting-edge fields like natural language processing or computer vision. These areas are at the forefront of innovation, offering exciting career prospects.
Build a robust portfolio by working on real-world projects. Internships and freelance opportunities provide invaluable experience, setting you apart in the competitive job market.
Networking is key. Engage with professionals through online communities and events. By connecting with others, you'll gain insights and opportunities that propel your career forward.